Have you ever tasted fish seasoned the Haitian way? This is not just fish, this is a masterpiece. Marinated with rich Haitian épices, packed with herbs, garlic, and bold flavors, then baked to golden perfection in the air fryer. Wrap the tails with aluminum foil so they don't burn. Brush them with oil for that golden glow. Into the air fryer it goes. Just look at it, juicy, crispy on the outside, tender and melt in your mouth on the inside. Every bite is bursting with flavor and love from the kitchen. But we didn't stop there. We gave it 5 more minutes to bring out that golden perfection. The result? Juicy on the inside, beautifully golden on the outside, and bursting with flavor in every bite. This is not just fish, this is a masterpiece. Tell me you don't want a piece right now. This isn't just dinner, it's art you can taste. Would you dare take the first bite of this Haitian-style, well-seasoned air fryer whole fish? Like, save this recipe, share it with your foodie friends, follow for more masterpiece recipes, and don't watch hungry. Don't say I don't help you elevate your food and taste buds. #airfryerfish